The stairs gonna take me out.
I give you what you need. I know what you like.
For my RBTs, reinforcers are mandatory. All right, y'all, so I'm not really liking this. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine and I'm an RBT, and I give upcoming RBTs different tips and tricks on how to pass the exam and my life after the exam. If you're new to my channel, please like this video, comment some more videos you want to see, and join me on the road to a BCBA. I'm really excited for this video because I get to make a DIY project. Okay, so the first thing I have is these backgrounds that I'm going to be, background fabrics that I'm going to be putting on the wall. And then I have paint. These command strips, not sure what I need these for, but I might need them, so I did get them. And then I have multiple letters like this that spell out Jazz the RBT, and we are going to paint these letters pink. Let's go ahead and paint the letters pink. Hopefully my vision comes out right. We're gonna see and do this together, okay? And if you guys want to recreate this DIY project, go ahead and do it and show me in the comments down below if it turned out right for you. I got all of this supplies for less than like $35, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So I got all the letters painted. Now I'm gonna go through and do a second coat on top of them. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use that J or the bigger J, but we're gonna figure that out as we go. But anyways, I think it's looking pretty cute. I just need to do a second coat on them because this is how they are looking up close and personal. I think they need one more coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick, and then I will get back to you.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. I just want to.
I'm gonna let the letters dry a little bit more before I put them up, but right now it's not really looking how I thought it would look, so we're gonna see if this will actually work. So I got the wall up. These red marks are going to represent where my name is going to be. So right now I only have one of the white sheets up, but I'm going ahead and put this one on it for some extra protection. After some trial and error, I finally got the background up, which is this white background behind me. My name is gonna be right here. I'm gonna take a break and eat me some food and feed my dog. And then I will come back with the letters right here. And I also don't like the wrinkles, so I'm trying to like straighten it out a little bit. I also put cardboard behind the wall to protect the wall. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and join me on the road to a BCBA. I got some very good content coming for my RBTs and BTs out there who want to pass the exam. My next video for my RBTs will probably be negative reinforcement, positive reinforcement versus positive punishment and negative punishment. Different examples that can be applied. So without further ado, let's go ahead and finish this background. Okay, y'all, so I took a quick break to go get me some food. American Deli. I gotta turn up the stairs. The stairs gonna take me out. The stairs gonna take me out. They gonna take me out. All right, y'all, so I'm not really liking this, like how it's coming out. I'm not really, like, I'm trying to like it, but I don't like it. So I'm about to just come up with a different idea and then try to execute that. And we're gonna see how it goes, because right now I do not like this. It's making me upset. So I think it's backwards. Like, it looks like, I don't know if it's because I am sitting like this. Let me go look at the footage real quick. I'll be back. I'll be back. What we're gonna do for now. Okay, y'all, so I think this video is not that long, so I'm gonna go ahead and do an at-home workout and take you guys along with me. And mind you, one of my letters already fell. I'm just gonna glue it back up there. But anyways, we're gonna do a quick at-home workout, and then that'll be the end of this video. Hope you guys are liking this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, I know I gave you all you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me that the yes. I try to keep you, and I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I tried to live, but I can't. I don't know why I got the wall. Drop me out of my mind. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body.
Already at the juicy crab, but that's besides the point. Reinforcers are mandatory, but look who all was here. Tammy was here, and Kiki Palmer, and I don't know his name, but I know who that is, but I don't know his name. Who else? Oh, Emmanuel Hudson. Everybody was here, period. And guess who else is here? Me, a star.
Boom boom sauce.
Hello.
You want some fried cheese sticks too?
No, I don't like cheese sticks.
And hot.
And I had a little discount. I only paid $7 for this.
With it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished now, bitch, I just begun. I ain't giving out no money to no nigga just for fun. Are you